Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and as we are moving on to Windows 11 24H2 and the future of Windows, not knowing if Windows 12 could be a thing next year or not, one of the things that is very surprising is to see how AI is for some reason taking a second place. Suddenly, we have recall that now should be apparently getting into insider builds in somewhere in October after so much announcements and wow, this is going to be the thing. Well, where is the thing? And Copilot's on every PC, but apart from few people that use it for specific tasks, for the most part, most people don't use it, and those that did use it find it either slow or kind of dumb. And I don't see much people using this, anyways. I don't know. It's as if suddenly we got these things that popped up in Copilot in Windows and so on, and there's kind of a way where things are not happening anymore. I would have expected Copilot to move on, to be updated regularly, to have more and more features and being pushed heavily, which doesn't really happen. Recall is supposed to be that big thing. Will it catch on? Will it be something that people want? Once again, the promises of what it does is really amazing, and I could see people wanting to use that. But once again, we talked today that we can't trust Microsoft. And the first thing about recall is people not trusting Microsoft enough to use it. Well, it's not going to help today with the fact that we talked about how LinkedIn is sending your data for generative AI. With Microsoft putting that little slider in the settings where you can turn it off, but why is it on by default? Why didn't you just say, I don't know, you get into your account and you pop up a little message that says, hey, we've got this. If you want us to be able to, use your data to train AI to learn, turn it on or off, and here it is. No, it's just like, oh, here it is, and it's on, and you're being used as an AI training, data training human, basically. I don't know. This is getting worse all the time. And this is one aspect of Microsoft that, I don't know, there needs to be a big change in the direction, because Windows itself will survive for a very simple reason. There's a lot of people out there that's like, well, finally, Linux is going to get into place. No, it's never. It's not. Well, not never. We can't say never, but no, it's not. Windows is dominating for a very simple reason. And even if we get these things, just like at Windows 8, Windows 8 gave us a screen interface that nobody wanted, because pretty much no devices were touch anyways. It didn't remove Windows from being a major player. People just moved on to the next and moved on to what they want to do. That's the way it is. That's the way it's still going to be with Windows 11. People thinking people are not going to adopt Windows 11 because of all sorts of things. No, they will. If Windows 10 is not there anymore and Windows 11 is the only thing, we'll have all the Windows people moving on to Windows 11. That's the way it's going to be. It's always been like that, and it will be like that for the foreseeable future, for the fact that Windows cannot be replaced. It cannot be replaced for a lot of hardware and software that is needed in a lot of people's lives. But yet, what's happening, Microsoft? I don't know. I have the impression we moved on from exciting times with Windows 10 when all of these new things are coming out to not only boring times, but the AI you're showing us is not exciting, and the features that you're showing us are scaring people because of your lack of respect for privacy. And it just looks stale now that we're going into a Windows future that's not exciting. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.